Hello everyone and welcome to one of our intermediate flow classes. So the entire flow in this class is relatively short. However, we are using a crocodile roll to pop out. So that is considered to be quite a tricky transition. It requires a lot of speed and a lot of power. So we're going to focus the majority of this class on that transition. Master Instructor Kathy Donato is here. She's going to be helping me out. Now, because this is an intermediate class, we've assumed, one, you've already warmed up with your wrist mobilizations, and two, that you know the movements that we're using in this flow. So if you check the description of this flow class, if there are any movements that you're not familiar with, we're not going to teach you or build the movement. So you might want to go to the tutorials and then come back and try this class, or if you're feeling comfortable, jump right in. Okay, so with that being said, let's get down to the floor and get started. All right, so first I'm going to demonstrate the flow, then I'll demo it again with the call out. Here we go. So that's the entire flow. Let's go with the call out. Set crab. Right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Right leg reaching under switch. Left leg under switch to loaded beast. Left leg beast reach. To front step. Okay, and that's the entire flow. So, as I mentioned before, there is that crocodile roll to pop out, but we first want to learn the sequences that get us there. So, Kathy's going to join me. We'll perform the right leg full scorpion and close the gap. We'll do the same thing to the opposite side. Left leg full scorpion, close the gap. We'll do that 3 times to each side. Feeling ready, Kathy?
Ready.
All right, let's do it. Set crab. Right leg, full scorpion. Close the gap. That means slide the foot and drop the hand. And then set crab. Left leg, full scorpion. Close the gap, slide and drop the hand, set crab. Right leg, full scorpion. Close the gap, set crab. Left leg, full scorpion. Close the gap. Set crab. One more each side, right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. And set crab. Last one, left leg full scorpion. And close the gap. All right, great job, Kathy. So, now that we know how to get set up for crocodile roll, there's a very important aspect of our normal crocodile roll that we're going to break the rules of that particular aspect. So we know if I'm doing a regular crocodile roll, let's say I'm doing a right side crocodile roll, first side plank, modified push-up, second side plank, drop the hips, heel, hand, foot. So the last thing that lands is the foot. So we change those rules if we're doing a crocodile roll to pop out. Because if you watched our tutorials, you know the straight leg is my height leg, the bent leg is my power leg, the arm that's going up, that's my rotary arm, the arm that stays on the ground, that's my base arm. So if I'm using the speed of the crocodile roll to get into the pop out, watch this. Right side crocodile roll to pop out, I would begin the same. The difference is When I get around, I'm going to go foot first, hand. Now I go height, power, rotation, and then I look where I want to go, which is going to be a 180-degree turn. So I need to have that pop. So that's why I go foot first, allowing me to get into that pop out. So I'll go at around a moderate speed. So right side, crocodile roll to pop out. I'll do that again. This time I'm going to go with the opposite leg. Same position. So left side crocodile roll to pop out. Notice the foot, hand, height, power, rotation. 180-degree turn. So we're going to practice doing a couple of crocodile roll to pop outs. Just remember, we're going to break our rule and allow the foot to land first. So Kathy, if you don't mind joining me, let's go left leg extended. We're going to set up as if we're doing a crocodile roll. And we're going to do a left side crocodile roll to pop out. Ready? Moderate speed, go. Fall back. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. You guys can join us. Ready? Go. Fall back. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Go. And relax. Good job. Okay, so let's do that exact same thing, opposite side. So right side, crocodile roll to pop out. Ready? Moderate speed. Go. Fall back. Go. Fall back. Go. And relax. Nice work. Okay, so now that we know how to get into a crocodile roll to pop out, we're going to perform that entire first sequence. Full scorpion, close the gap. That means slide the leg and drop the hand. Crocodile roll to pop out, pause. From there, we'll set crab again and do the entire thing to the opposite side. Sound good? Okay, so set crab. Right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Set crab. Left leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Right side crocodile roll to pop out. Set crab. Right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Set crab. Left leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Right side crocodile roll to pop out. Nice work, Kathy. Nice work to everyone at home. Okay. So we're almost done with the flow. As I said, it's a short flow. It's a fun flow. So our next movement is we have to figure out a way to get from deep ape to loaded beast for our finisher. So once I'm in deep ape, I use a level 2 movement, the reaching under switch. So I find my 45s. You guys know this because this is an intermediate class. I go through, I left leg under switch to loaded beast. Once here, this is a fun little combo. I'm going to do a left leg beast reach into front step. So once I get into that end position of beast reach, I'm going to powerfully drop into a front step. And so we want that to be hard, and we want it to be fast. So for example, if I'm in loaded beast, and I do a left leg beast reach, hit the position, and drop. Foot down, palm forward, elbow pulling back, eyes up. So that's the ending of the flow. So we're going to practice just from deep ape, doing the reaching under switch, the under switch to loaded beast. We'll do the beast reach to front step. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Then we'll add it to the beginning of the flow, and then we'll just rep it out. So let's set deep ape. And right leg reaching under switch. Left leg under switch to loaded beast. Left leg beast reach. Nice and smooth, nice and controlled. I hit the in position. Go. Nice work. All right. Let's do that same thing the opposite side. Set deep ape. Left leg reaching under switch. Right leg under switch to loaded beast. Right leg beast reach. Go. One more time each side. Here we go. Set deep ape. Right leg reaching under switch. Left leg under switch to loaded beast. Left leg beast reach. Go. Nice job. Okay, one more to the opposite side. Set deep ape. Left leg reaching under switch. Right leg under switch to loaded beast. Right leg beast reach. Go. All right, there we go. Okay, with authority. Nice job, Kathy. So, okay, guys, we're just going to add it together. So we're going to do our full scorpion, close the gap, crocodile roll to pop out, reaching under switch to loaded beast, beast reach to front step. Hope you're ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Let's do this. So set crab. Right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Right leg reaching under switch. Left leg under switch to loaded beast. Left leg beast reach. To front step. Go. Yes. All right, let's do it again. Left leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Right side crocodile roll to pop out. Left leg reaching under switch. Right leg under switch to loaded beast. Right leg beast reach. To front step, go. There it is. All right. Good job, Kathy. Good job to everyone at home. So that's the entire flow. Let's do it 2 more times. So that would be 2 to each side for 2 total rounds. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Here we go. Set crab. Right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Right leg reaching under switch. Left leg under switch to loaded beast. Left leg beast reach. To front step. Go. All right, let's set it up again. Left leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Right side crocodile roll to pop out. Left leg reaching under switch. Right leg under switch to loaded beast. Right leg beast reach. To front step. Go. Nice. Nice work, guys. Okay. So, one more to each side, finishing the flow. Here we go. Here we go. Set crab. Right leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Left side crocodile roll to pop out. Right leg reaching under switch. Left leg under switch to loaded beast. Left leg beast reach. To front step, go. All right, one more. Left leg full scorpion. Close the gap. Right side crocodile roll to pop out. Left leg reaching under switch. Right leg under switch to loaded beast. Right leg beast reach. To front step, go. Kathy, we did it.
You did it.
All right. Again, great job, everyone. Okay, so that is an intermediate flow. We really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. At this point, if you need a further breakdown of any of those movements, go to the tutorial section. Right now, you can either go to one of our fluid mobility classes and cool down, or you can continue to practice, but just be sure to finish up with your wrist mobilizations. Kathy Donato, thank you so much for helping me out with that flow. Thank you, all of you, and see you real soon.